I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word Tip. I hope you know what to do when you want a weirdo character stuck into a Word document.
Why are you looking at me?
Different characters. Text. Relax. Go to the Insert tab, and in the Symbols group you find the Symbols button. This palette lists any recent symbols you've accessed recently presented for easy plucking, and more symbols are found here. This is the Symbols dialog box. You choose a typeface here, and then explore various symbols in this scrolling list. But what about the Special Characters tab? It's often overlooked. Click it. These are special characters you can insert into a document listed along with their assigned keyboard shortcuts. For example, the non-breaking space here, which is a keyboard shortcut, Control-Shift-Space. You can insert a non-breaking space by pressing the keyboard shortcut, or you can just click the Insert button to insert the non-breaking space, just like that, even though down there in the document there's really nothing to break unbreakable. Now, some of the characters are invisible. Let's go ahead and try that hyphen character. Going back to where we should be. Special characters. Now I'm going to try the optional hyphen character. It doesn't appear unless it's needed, so you can insert it. And it's not going to show up unless this gets to the end of the line and suddenly that character is needed. We need a hyphen there. Oh, there it goes. It just shows up right there. Some of these commands have both shortcut keys and autocorrect entries. For example, here's the shortcut for the trademark symbol, which is Alt-Control-T. So you can go back into your document, and if you want to, you can press Alt-Control-T. There's trademark, or you can use autocorrect to type paren TM in paren, and you get the same thing. This is a cool trick.
So much to learn.
Wait, what?
What?
Speechless.
More details are concealed in my word books.